Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, real quick, each one of these candlesticks, as they're called, instead of normally representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents here, though, 4 hours. So while this here may look like a couple of months, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video 15-20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart might look a little different for you, but my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible, and I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels, and then walking you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So over the weekend, nice, healthy, nothing huge to the upside, but nothing huge to the downside either, so just more of consolidation. But what I do now want to get into play is this resistance trend line here that's really doing a good job of illustrating that over the past couple of weeks there has been some downwards pressure. Now, not downwards pressure in the sense of this thing is for sure going back below 7,000, but just over in the sense of, yeah, there have been some moves back upwards, but each move back upwards has had those lower highs, hence the downtrending trend line. But the good news is that as of right now, the video is at the time of this video, the chart is well within striking distance of potentially breaking above that trend line. So that's where the first question comes in about, and let's just use the 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours after I upload it. Question number one becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 8,200? Because that's essentially, if you're answering the question that the price is up above that level, then that would imply that this trend line here has been broken and that the price is, separating more so to the upside, which kind of is the follow-up question here is if you are saying, okay, yeah, Clay, the price is above 8,200, well, then it becomes a matter of common sense, gut instincts, meaning, okay, well, how far up above 8,200? And the farther up above the price is above 8,200, well, that's just the more bullish the chart actually is. So like I said, if the price is at 8,300, don't get me wrong, that's definitely a good situation. But if the price is up there at 8,800, that's that much more of a bullish situation. Now, on the flip side of things, if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually still down below 8,200, the next question you would want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average? And as of now, that level is going to be right around the 8,000 mark. So if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is down below 8,000, again, not the most preferable situation. You'd ideally want to see the price stay up above that purple line. But as far as, an ideal situation, staying above there. But if not, then the next, in other words, if you're answering the question, well, Clay, the price is actually down below 8,000, the next question you'd ask is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 7,700, which is that green line down there? And as long as you're answering the question that the price is still up above there, then the overall chart is still perfectly fine. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price can get the breakout of that trend line of 8,200, that would certainly be a massive sign of power going forward. So it'll be interesting to see if the bulls can get the breakout or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.